Hi, I'm Aaron Adaw, and today I'll be hosting retired police Brigadier General Jimmy Lee Macaraig's 56th birthday party. 37 years, 1 month, and 3 days of service with a heart. Let's check out Papa Peter's birthday and retirement party.
Thank you, family and friends, for joining us this weekend. By the way, my name is Aaron Adaw, and I will be your host for this afternoon's celebration. Alam niya na, Ate Maricel, ano yung madalas ipaluto ni Papa Peter? Okay, habang hintayin natin yung next set of prizes, we have Hanabishi automatic rice cookers. Happy birthday, Papa Peter!
Of course, we sent off our birthday boy with prayers and lots of fun memories. Show's over. Thank you so much for watching. So if you need a host, just look for me on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok at your host, Aaron Adaw. See you at the next event.